Today we're gonna make a kilo of chicken wings with everybody's divisive ingredient, Marmite. Love it or hate it. Today we're gonna incorporate it into a marinade and marinate a kilo of wings for the Traeger. So here's how we prepare them. Boom. 3 tablespoons of Marmite, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1 of dark soy sauce, 2 of cider vinegar, and 2 of brown sugar. And then mix to combine. Then add your wings. Try not to splash your white top. And then using your hands, coat them. Then we preheated our Traeger Ranger to 160 degrees Celsius and we put our wings on to smoke until they reached an internal temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. The remaining marinade we heated up in a pan and added to the cooked wings before tossing in a bowl and displaying with a splash of lime. Trust me, you need the lime. It really works with the Marmite. It may sound odd, citrus and Marmite, but trust me, it works. Then for a bit of crunch, a handful of salted peanuts sprinkled over the top, and that is your Marmite chicken wings cooked on the Traeger Ranger. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit me up in the comments if there's anything you want to see me cook. My name's Jack and this has been Jack's Meat Shack. See you all next week.